Hey guys, Ray from defenseattorneynow.com. On a previous video, I basically said have your Facebook account basically have links and or point towards your firm website in order to develop that SEO, obtain keywords, okay, out there in order to have those natural rankings appear. But it didn't really dawn on me that individuals like us, we're out there trying to defend our clients and keep our clients in the free world and trying to make sure to the best of our ability that they're not overly punished. Okay, but once again, our expertise is not social media. So Facebook, let's explain a little bit of differences. There's a Facebook profile, which is generally what most people have. It's their picture of themselves with their families, their vacations. Some people all have their profiles basically oriented towards professionals. If they're scientists or lawyers or accountants, maybe it's all oriented towards their professional career. It's whatever you decide. And that, again, is called a Facebook profile. Now, if you want a business and you want it to be associated with you, you want to create a Facebook page. And that is basically what I'm going to tell y'all to do if you don't have it already. Okay. Now, there's also something called a Facebook business account. That is basically a standalone business that is not associated with a profile. It's not associated with an individual. Think, General Motors, Tesla, or really successful firms that are really, really huge. And they don't need to have that personal connection to the viewer, okay? Because remember, people generally, unless it's going to Tesla or General Motors or some large company, it's really Apple that's really well renowned, they like to connect to a person. They trust a person, and that person, therefore, is part of a firm. Okay, so go to your Facebook profile, however you want to. You can try to make it professional. You can try to make it really more towards whatever you desire. If it's going to be family and friends and pictures, and that's fine. But more importantly is you need that, as I just said, a Facebook page. Okay, once again, just to reiterate, that is what Facebook considers a business that's associated with the actual individual. And then the way you do that, if you, as an example, this is my ugly mug on Facebook. You just come up here and you connect here on the little dots right here, and you're going to scroll down. If I can just move this down here, and you're going to scroll, and you're going to see one called page. Okay, it's going to appear. Then you're going to give it the name, and it's really self-explanatory. The John Jones criminal defense law firm. And it'll let you put in the address, even a website, and even your name and a phone number and an email and things like that. Okay, then just create that, and it will usually take a day or two for it to kind of get into the system. Okay, so now is what you're going to do. When you're going to post likewise. If I can get this a little smaller. In your Facebook page, when you're posting relevant content that helps individuals that are in the criminal justice system, you're going to post that in your Facebook page. If your Facebook profile individually is likewise oriented towards your professional status, then you're going to duplicate that in there likewise. If not, you can just leave it out. But Facebook page, because generally people look at the page and then they will want to see with the profile. And now the reality of it is, even though in our world, if you really want people to trust us, you're going to have to truly get your individual profile and start adding content in there. In my opinion, professional content as opposed to pictures of, unfortunately, your family and flowers. You can do that, and that's fine. Now, once again, business account, not really applicable, again, for our needs. Once again, we are not digital marketers. We're just data outreach services specifically for criminal defense attorneys, because that's our world, and that's what we've done for 15, 20 years. But if you have any questions on how to set this up, just give me a buzz or send me a message. I'll help you walk you through it. All right, guys, hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye-bye.